How to Customize Shopify Store 2023 Step by Step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about designing our Shopify store in the easiest, most simplest, and most efficient methods out there. And obviously these methods are going to allow your Shopify, analytics and statistics to go up drastically, and it will allow your total sales to go up drastically, and it's just going to enable you and help you to make quite a lot of money on Shopify. Okay, and obviously we're going to get the most help out of this. So yeah, please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to learn all the depths and details about Shopify, and please do make sure to fully listen to all the info that I have to provide you with, because if you follow me till the end and if you follow me properly, then I guarantee you that fully by the end of this video, we are going to learn together on how you can use Shopify to, design a great store and get good amount of total sales. Okay. So to start things off, obviously, first of all, we're going to make sure to create a good and solid Shopify account. Okay. Once you have a good and solid Shopify account, from here on out, what you are going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to go into your online store. Okay. So the customization of your Shopify store solely and purely depends on a few different things. So, first of all, your name and logo. Second of all, your overall body design. And third of all, your, marketing and all that, and your domain, by the way. So, yeah, what you're going to do is you're going to find a great domain name, first of all. So to find a good domain name, you're going to search of lean domain search. Okay. Lean domain search is a pretty great domain name generator. It finds a free domain name for you that is not already taken. It scours the internet, searches domains. So obviously, you're gonna try to find a good and acceptable name. So let's say our store is called John's Shack. Okay, I'm gonna call it that. And once you do that, wait, there we go, John's Shack. Now, once you do that, as you can see, it says looking for awesome domains. So it looks for free domains that are available to take up, and obviously, it's our job to get the best domain that you can find out of it. Okay, and obviously it takes a few seconds to load up all the domains. If it takes this long, obviously you can try switching up the name a bit, you know maybe remove the space in between it as well, because that might be a big factor in having an issue. Or you could just alternatively go into settings. You could use a third party provider like GoDaddy. You could use Bluehost. You could use Hostinger to set up your domain right here. Okay, your domains can be set it up over here. Go on domains, and you can start connecting your existing domains, or you can buy a totally new domain. Although Shopify does provide you with a free domain, which is pretty cool, but you can obviously go with the external settings as I told you. Now, obviously, once you've got a good name, from there on out, we're going to want a good logo. Okay. And for a good logo, what better place is there to create one than Canva? Okay. Now, Canva is an absolutely out of this world software. Okay. Works amazingly, and you can create anything with this. So you're just going to come here and you're going to search up logo. Now, once you search up logo, what you're going to do over here is you're going to first of all get an idea of what kind of logo you actually want. So obviously it's a sports shack for us, so I'm going to go with a bit of a darker color. There we go. Now once you do that, you're going to go into your elements, and we're going to add some good banners, or something that we can write our text in front of. So let's go with a bit of a more sporty banner. Let's go with let's go with this. Yeah. And once you go with this, you're going to increase the size a bit. Okay. And once the size is increased, you're going to start adding your text. Okay. And for the text, we are going to want to make sure that the text is a bit bold and 3D-ish, so you can get a good 3D look on top of it. Wait, yeah. Do that. Remove that. Okay. And then add text. Okay. So we're going to add a bit of a black text so we can get a good look of it. We're gonna small down the font so it can, come over this graphic over here. Now, once you do that, we're gonna add a circle in the back as well so that, because right now it looks a bit strange. So we're gonna go in elements, go ahead, right circle. There you go. It adds a circle shape. Now, as you can see right now, it's forward. So we're going to do position and we're going to do to backward. And you can obviously increase its size as so, like this. And once you do all of this, okay, graphic design, let me just decrease down the font a little bit more. Oh, wait. This might do some bugs for you because, yeah, the text bit always messes around a lot. So I would always recommend setting it up before. And once you do that, then just add the logo as in, yeah, there we go. Now, once the logo is added, obviously you can add different widgets down in the bottom if you want to. That's totally dependent on you. But yeah, once you have your logo, just go ahead, click on share, download, and look at that. You're going to download it as so. Okay. Once you do that, basically you're going to come to your Shopify store and then you're going to head over to customize over here. Now, as you can see right now, my Shopify store is pretty bland, not a lot of things going on. Now, if you want to get into the customization and editing and designing of the main basic store, you can obviously go ahead and start, messing around with certain things in the store. Now, what do I mean by messing around with certain things? What I mean by that is, you can add different colors, you can add different designs. Like, let's say I'm going to go on some button over here, okay? And you can, let's say, sale. I'm going to add a sale widget. Look at that. It turns to sale. You could, maybe take this to the contact page. This is how you're going to start customizing. And obviously, to add external designing widgets, you're going to go on theme. So first of all, you're going to choose the logo as we, have it. So we're going to click on add images over here and choose the logo that we just obviously exported. Now it uploads the logo, or you're going to wait for it to do that. Once you do that, you're going to click on done, and there we go. So there we have our website's logo. It's going to appear right there. How cool. Then there's the colors of your website. Okay, you can choose a color scheme. So yeah, this looks pretty decent. So we're going to go with that. And you're going to, choose certain schemas. Then there's the typography, which is your page's font. Okay, here's your heading font. Let's, change it up. Let's make it April Fat Face, and look at that. It changes the font for your headings and in general homepage. So obviously you're going to go on ahead and mess around with more things because obviously this was just a typography. There's like tons and tons of more things, like you can choose different layouts, you can choose different animations, different buttons, inputs, block cards, media, drawers, etc., etc. A lot of great and amazing things to mess around with. And once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and click on save. And once you do that, that is basically how you're going to design and customize your in general Shopify store for yourself in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So yeah, that is about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.